Happy Sunday, folks. It's the Bruce City Rider out on a beautiful ride. Wanted to check out the waves. There's reportedly a lot of wave action today for some reason. Ooh, nice hot rod. Absolutely perfect day, 80 and sunny. Light wind, maybe a little more than light. As you would expect, a lot of activity down here on the lakefront today, especially with the extra people that I'm sure came down to check out the waves. Oh yeah, it's real windy down here by the lake. I could just smell the fuel from the boats and the jet skis. I love that smell. Reminds me of vacation. We used to always go vacationing on a lake in up north Wisconsin. I should say northern Wisconsin. We refer to that as up north here in Wisconsin. They got the Christopher Columbus statue fountain going with Old Glory flying. That's good to see. I was wondering if they were going to fire it up. Well, the lake is choppy. I wouldn't say they're big waves, though. I'll get you a shot of it up here. Somebody did spray paint a little bit on the statue. Can't tell from here if they cleaned it off. I don't see it from here though. Look at the people down here on the lakefront. Parking's at a premium today, boy. Same story at this beach. I haven't seen an empty parking spot yet. Smells good, man. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds of summer. I sure did. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys hopefully later in the week on another Motovlog. Happy Sunday, everybody. PCR out. Later, guys.